all in all, it's just a beautiful morning to be out there. So with the snow, we couldn't get as close as we usually do to the elk. So what really helped us out is we were running the Bog Death Grip, and so I had Matt, Scott, and Mike all running the Death Grip, and it ended up working out pretty well with it. Matt ends up shooting a beautiful bull right off the bat, hammers his, it goes down.
There he goes.
Nice
Detail.
Then me and Scott pick one out. It ends up going a little ways, stopping, bam, he hammers it, it drops on the spot.
We're about to have a shot.
I'm on him.
348.
Ready?
Yep.